Hi everyone, Salam. Today we will show you how to pair wireless camera without QR or ID, if you forget. First we will show you we don't have any ID or QR in our app in description, just download and install it. Let's start it now. Pairing process. First go to Wi-Fi and connect your phone to Wi-Fi of your camera. Then go back to app and now pair it with normal Wi-Fi from the app this time.
A few moments later.
It will take some time after settings. Wi-Fi password, just wait. Once done, name the camera as you like and there you go. Now just type the password to protect your camera from accessing others. Then finish the process and now click on camera to enjoy all features. On PC, install app from description, click plus add button. We are already on same Wi-Fi, so just search and done. Enjoy all feature. Also, if you create app ID and password, just use it, so no more pairing all the time. Like, subscribe, share and comments. Thanks for watching.